Hello Aries, welcome to my channel. This is your love reading for the month of November. Now, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. So Aries, this is based on your sun sign or your moon sign. You could check those videos. Those messages could resonate for some of you Aries here. So first I'll pull out your energies and then we'll pull out your person's energy and we'll see if there is a likely outcome, or we'll find out a likely outcome. So let's begin Aries. So Aries, love feelings in the month of November. Spirits and guides, please help. Please shuffle. Aries, love feelings in the month of November. Spirits and guides, please help. Aries. Okay, so now I can see there's a tower. It seems there is some breakup for some of you here Aries. Either you will be breaking up. Energy sometimes could be vice versa. Okay, so not necessarily a breakup. There is a page of swords. So just let me pull out the cards. The lovers. Okay, I'll pull out one. Knight of Pentacle. I'm not doing reverse readings for this. Four of Wands and the High Priestess. So Aries, what I see in your energies is like, this is not a breakup, sorry, but because after that there is suddenly you might, some of you, if you are dealing with Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, you could receive a message or a communication from your person. You were upset about this situation. I feel that there was like no contact, communication and all, and you were feeling low, and you were always feeling that the relationship has like died, or it's no more there. So but you get a message in November. Some of you will be getting some message here. Yeah, Page of Swords. A message coming to you suddenly, a communication coming to you suddenly, and it will not be a very intense or very elaborate kind of a talk, but yes, something message. Maybe your person, if they are air sign, they are coming to save this relationship. It could be your energy too, because after that we get this Lovers card. So it seems that to save this relationship from the Tower moment, you could either rush in, or your person could rush in. So you could be dealing with a Gemini also with this Lovers card. That's what I feel here. Maybe there was this is also a card of options or to make choices. So some of you, either you or your person is in a love triangle kind of situation. So might be they will decide to be with you, and they will rush in. So this is also what we get with these cards here. Now the second is Knight of Pentacle, Four of Wands and the High Priestess. So it seems that some of you really are taking feeling that your relationship is going nowhere. There's no commitment. This is Knight of Pentacle, very slow moving, stuck energy. This is what I get Aries. But your person wants commitment. Your person wants a long-term relationship. It could be your energy too, and vice versa. That's what I feel here. If you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a fire sign, that is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So it seems that commitment is an issue. What they were looking, there's not action much from your side or their side. Maybe your person is being very cautious, or you are being very cautious, or overthinking. But it seems that the situation is gonna be like silent. It's gonna still be stuck. It's gonna be, unknown, still in the unknown territory. Like, it will be silent. It seems that commitment, either one of you are looking for, and do not see things moving. This is what for some of you here. Yeah. So let me see. Usually this is your energy, but as when there are energies, could be of your person too. Now Aries, person's energy. Aries and Aries person's energy. Aries and Aries person's energy. Okay, Ace of Wands, King of Wands, Ten of Cups. So for some of you, it seems that, okay, this is a positive card. If Aries, you're dealing with a fire sign, there could be a younger fire sign. It could be a new relationship. For singles, it seems, or some of you who have dealing with a new person, it could be here. So Ace of Wands, some fire sign coming into your life, or a person who is much mature than you, much elder to you in age, and it seems that it's gonna be like a good relationship. For the new relationship, it's a good card. Ten of Cups, fulfilling, contentment, happiness. That's what I see for some of you here. It could be your energy, it could be your person is feeling good, you are also feeling good. So it is like, this is usually, it's for the people who are in with a new person here. Then next we have the Knight of Swords, Ace of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So it seems that some of you again are confused. You are waiting for clarity in the situation, especially dealing with an air sign. Again, I see all the three air signs here. So clarity in a situation. So this is a stuck situation again. Your person also feels that it's going nowhere. They are overthinking. There's not much action happening here. Yeah, there's not much action happening here. They wonder whether you also feel for them the same way as they feel for you, but somehow they feel now that it seems that this situation which has been stuck, either it could be an issue with communication, it could be an issue with commitment. So they want a clarity now. So some clarity could come. It could be either way, either a fallout or coming together. But this is like Queen of Swords, very clear, very focused, that once you get to know the truth. So if it is like fair, it is it's sorted out, the relationship will continue. But if it's not sorted out, and if there are lies, if there are deceit, if there is a third party, if there is a love triangle, some trust issues, then there is a cutting out, or at least moving away from this relationship. Your person could move away from this relationship, or you could move away. It could be anyways here. This is what I get, Aries. Yeah, so this is what for new relationship looks good. The other one is the Tower. I told you, suddenly, for some of you again dealing with air signs or Gemini, your person could rush in with the message, and there could be some reconciliation. Here I see issues with the commitment. It's a stuck condition, especially if you're dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here, because it's the High Priestess card. Silent and going slow, again, that is the thing. Here there is again another situation in which a clarity will come, a breakthrough will come. Either you will get to know this, the truth, or they will get to know the truth. So accordingly it will go. If that it is a fair deal, if there is no lies, no deceit, this will go forward. Otherwise it will just it will just get over. That's what I get here. So singles, we already have singles, maybe Ace of Wands. There is a good thing for you coming here in love. So this is it, Aries, for this month. If you do like and it resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you so much. Stay blessed.